Okay, so recording has been started. So now in today's class, what we are going to see is the alter command in SQL. Okay, alter command in SQL. So we do have, in general scenario, we do have two requirements for the table. Okay, we want to play with the table. Once we have created the table, okay, so now if any alteration kind of thing is there, is our requirement, then how will you do? Okay, so alteration, what is alteration? Alteration is simply, in general terms,
Modifying the
yeah, modifying the things means, suppose a cloth is with you. Okay, some shirt is, suppose I have one shirt, and it is of XL size, and in my size only middle size suits, M size suit. Okay, I wear M size, and my shirt is of XL size. Okay, or pant is of XL size. Okay, so what will I do? I will i will cut. I will go to the tailor shop and try to cut, and I will tell the pant or shirt to to shorten um its its leg or arms. Okay, to shorten the things means to alter the things. Okay, now what will same things happen with tables. Okay, if you want to add any column or modify any data type, you need alter command. Okay, so there are two things happen in alteration of a table. Okay, first is change the data type of the table, of the column of the table. Change the data type of a column in the table. And the second is add or remove any column in the table. These two things are there in the alter. These two scenarios are there. Okay, so let me show you my medical shop dot customer table example. So this is my medical shop dot customer. So I use the medical shop, I enter the database, and then I select medical shop dot customer, and you can see cust id, cust name, cust mobile, cust address, and cust medicine. Okay, so suppose when I see cust mobile, its data type is something like 1234. Okay, so now first let me describe these things. Describe, what describe will do, it will show the structure of the table. Okay, what structure you follow. So you can see cust mobile is integer. Okay, so now I feel that it should not be an integer. Okay, I just want, rather than integer, I may change it to varchar. All right, I may change it to varchar, and that's where the alteration things happens. So how will you change that? Command is very simple. Alter table, table name. Command is very simple. Alter table, table name, and then provide modify, because you're modifying anything, right? You're not adding or removing anything, you're modifying the existing data, right? So a column. Okay, so column modification is the data type change. Okay, modify, modify, and then provide the column name, cust cust mobile, right? Cust mobile. Then what will you do? You will just provide, if you what data type you want to change to. So currently it is integer. Now I will provide varchar up to like 10 or okay. So 10 because mobile number fills with 10. Okay. So just now run this command. Okay. Now just run it. And now when I describe the customer, you can see it's now varchar 10. Okay. Okay. But you will not see any difference in the record. Record is as it is, right? We are just changing the data type of that. We are not changing the data, right? So the record will be as it is, but the data type will be changed. And that's what my point is. Okay. So you have changed the data type. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we come back to the our second point. What is my second point? Add or remove any column in the table. Okay. So now what my requirement is? The first requirement was to change the data type of cust mobile. Okay. This was my first requirement. Okay. And now what my second requirement is? Change the sorry. My first requirement is add such a column in the cust mobile. Add such a column with name in cust mobile say cust type say cust type which accepts accepts cust type. Okay. As premium premium elite uh, and general. Means either he is premium customer or an elite customer or a general customer. Okay. So just I want to add one column. Okay. Just one I want to add one column. So what I will do, I will provide this alter statement, and then I will just add column type column. This is the mandatory keyword what I need to provide. A mandatory column, add column, and what about the column name? What is the desired column name? Cust type. Okay. Means what type of customer he is. Either he is an elite customer or a premium customer or a general customer, like that. Okay. Cust type, and then you provide the data type. And since it is premium, elite, and in words, we will follow the string type, means varchar type, and it is so say 50. Okay. Just now, and you are done with that. Just go and enter. Add columns down. Okay. It is like this, that not in bracket. Okay. So it will not follow the bracket rule, just to simply without bracket. Okay. So now just I want to run it, and you can see in describe one more column has been added of customer type. Now the main thing is that what you will see, the main thing, select star from customer. When you do, the new column is added properly, but with null values. Okay. But with null values. Why it is null values? Because we are not provided the cust type yet. Okay. So this will obviously filled with null values. Okay. Got my point? Obviously there will be null values because we have not provided anything, right? It is unknown. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now And if you want to similar thing, if you want to drop it, if you want to drop it, just instead of add, just apply drop column, drop column cust type, and don't need to give an the data type here, just drop column cust type. Now do that, and we will see it will drop the column. You don't need to specify the varchar type. Okay, so now when you run it, you can see the cust type has been removed. Select a star from and see here all the column, new column name was removed successfully. So I again I leave my column as it is to the modification part, and now it is done. Now all these things with like previous. All right, did you get that all the things? Let me repeat.
Yes, sir.
Let me repeat, there are two ways, or many ways is also there, many ways are also there. We can add, remove the constraints. When I will teach you about constraints references, we can also add or remove in the in the table. But for now, just learn two things only. We have the two ways to alter the table. First is modification, and the second is addition of any column, addition or removal of any column. And what is done in modification? Modification leverages you to modify the data type of the column. Okay. um, uh, and alteration and addition and dropping of the column allows you to add or drop a column. So in modification, just apply the modify command after the followed by the alter command, and then provide the data type, whatever data type you want to modify, uh, followed by the column name. And in the add section, just provide the add column command, and for drop, just provide the drop column. Here, mind that here the data type will not be mentioned. Okay. Okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future videos, and also do comment and share with your friends maximum. Thank you.